Welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. In today's episode, we will learn how to draw Independence Day drawing. Start with 3 half circles. These will turn into faces later on. Add on hairstyles. There's a grown-up boy and 2 kids in this picture. One is girl and one is boy. Let's add features. I'm starting with this girl. This girl is holding a flag in her hand. And in the other hand, she is holding a smaller flag. This small boy is holding this huge flag. And tall boy is going to hold flag in both hands. Finish all flags with Ashok Chakra. I'm going to add some greenery in the background, as well as some clouds and a rising sun. For faces, I'm using flesh tint. For the sun, I'm using yellow-orange first. And at sides, I'm using orange. Blend this color well with finger. Now let's add clouds. I'm using light blue. Blend cloud in outward direction using white oil pastel. Smudge color well with finger. For bushes, I'm using leaf green. And blend it well with light green. For hair, I'm using dark brown. Color flags in orange and last section in green. For girl's frock, I'm highlighting it with orange. For tall boy, I highlighted his t-shirt with blue, and for small boy, I highlighted his t-shirt with green. Add blue to all Ashok chakras. For ground, I'm using light brown first and highlighting some sections in dark brown. Blend this color well with finger. I'm adding grey as shadow part. Add light pink to cheeks. With the help of medium yellow, I'm adding sun rays. Blend all well with white oil pastel. Highlight hair with black pencil, and our Independence Day drawing is ready. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Subscribe on YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.